What's on every Jira administrator's mind right now? It's cleaning up their Jira application or preparing it for migration. Hi, I'm Rachel Wright, Certified Jira Administrator and author of the Jira Strategy Admin Workbook, The Ultimate Guide to Jira Migrations, How to Migrate from Jira Server to Data Center or Cloud, and other books for Jira admins. As a community leader and an independent consultant, I help fellow admins set up, clean up, maintain, and migrate their Jira applications. I have a ton of resources waiting for you, like books, articles, worksheets, checklists, videos, and training courses. When I'm not creating Jira content, I'm traveling the United States in my RV. We've been on the road since 2015, and it's the best decision we've made. I even use Jira and Confluence to plan all of our travel adventures. If you have any questions about Jira, migration, or the RV lifestyle, I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to email me directly or connect in social media. Good luck with your Jira journey, and I'll see you online.